Hi everyone, I'm Tyler.
I'm Christina.
Can you tell from the background where we are?
Of course, we are in Kinmen, my favorite place.
It's my first time coming to Kinmen.
Do you want me to show you around? I've been here more than 70 times.
Yes, please, please. Kinmen expert.
Okay,
let's go.
老外在干嘛？
大家好，我们到了金门。他是我的朋友，他带我们去看金门有什么好玩的地方。
嗨，大家好，我是金沙镇镇长吴有家，今天欢迎我们的好朋友到我们金门来玩。
金门有什么好玩好吃的，可以给我们推荐吗？
我们金门有好吃的地方，也有古色的建筑。我们有一个风狮爷的守护神。
什么是风狮爷？
风狮爷是我们金沙镇的一个守护神。那我们刚好有下载了一个 APP，我现在教各位这样一个玩，可以搜寻我们的一个风狮爷。好，那我们用这个 APP 带你们去玩，好不好？
好
，Let's go。跳出来了，跳出来了，对，跳出来了对，在这里，在这里，在这里，对，这个是我们金沙镇沙美的一个五柱的一个风狮爷，它是一只很可爱的一个风狮爷，对，它也是我们全金沙镇唯一一尊带有上色的黄色的一个风狮爷，那也是我们今年风狮爷文化地的一个主题的一个风狮爷。
Here it is, my first wind lion.
那我跟各位介绍一下我们这栋的一个历史建筑，漂亮吧？对，这个张文帝洋楼在1935年盖的，因为以前金门不好生活，下来就赚钱，那赚了钱之后回来就故乡盖的这栋洋楼。那这栋洋楼他自己本身都没有住过，因为那时候战争的一个因素，他就在新加坡买下，他都没有回来。这栋有很多的故事。对。
很漂亮，真的有那个欧洲的感觉。
我们的新房子，我们有搬。
Our new house, our new
找到
home.
了。
Yay!
Okay, let's go.
Let's go back.
拜拜。
我带各位来我们这样的一个点是我们明朝的一个老街这样的一个老街大概在明朝、清朝就已经有了。那因为时代的变迁跟所以它变成没落掉。对，那我们重新整理跟重新维护之后，变成沙美的一个摩洛哥，一个打卡，现在全国最红的一个打卡点。
Hi, Tyler. What do you see here behind us?
A big black hole.
A big black hole. That's a long
Yes.
tunnel. Actually, that's a 508 meters long tunnel. There are a lot of tunnels in Kinmen.
How did you know that?
I'm smart.
That's true, I guess. But how did you know that?
Also, I did download an app, Finding the Wind Lion. All the information is here. There is introduction of the places, opening hours,
Wow.
everything you need to know. It's so
That's really
convenient.
useful.
So the name of this place is Sisan Howitzer Front, and there is a howitzer inside the tunnel which helped Taiwan to win the 1958 battle. And there is a performance at 11 o'clock, according to the app.
Okay, let's hurry and go watch the performance.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh my gosh, look at this huge cannon.
Oh, I'm so tired.
I know, right? Being in the military is exhausting.
It is.
I'm so hungry now.
Let's go and eat.
Yes, we need to eat something, a meal that's fit for soldiers. Let's go!
What do soldiers eat?
You'll see in a minute when I show you. Okay, we made it. This is a very famous restaurant in Shanxi because it's been open for a very long time, over 30 years, and it's very close to the military camp, the
tunnel we just went to.
And before, a lot of the soldiers would come here to eat.
And you know, there's a secret dish here. There is a dry noodle dish, and there is something in it.
What is it?
You find out.
Okay, let me see. Okay, let's see what's inside. Some noodles.
Can you see it?
An egg? Why is it at the bottom? Isn't the egg usually at the top here?
No, because the boss hides the egg under the noodle because he wanted to give some extra for these soldiers because he knew they worked so hard. So there is an egg hidden under the noodles. Really
That's a
nice.
really heartwarming story, but you know, I don't need something heartwarming right now. I need something filling. I'm very hungry because being a soldier is very tiring. So I completely understand why he wants to give them an extra egg.
How do you know being a soldier is tiring?
I mean, you
You're
can
just
see,
taking pictures.
You can see from the pictures I worked very hard as a soldier. So
Yeah,
now I
you
need
can
to,
see from the pictures. Yeah,
I need
he was just
to
posing.
rebuild my energy. So please stop talking and let me eat. We're so full that we decided to take a walk and enjoy the beautiful scenery of Jinmen to burn our calories. Oh my god, Christina, you should be enjoying the beautiful scenery. Why are you always on your phone?
What?
Why are you always on your phone?
Oh, because look at that. I found an app and it is showing that actually there are a lot of wind lions in Kinmen. So in Kinmen there are a lot of wind lions and they all look different. And actually the app is showing that there is one just right here.
Here it is.
Look at the eyebrows.
Oh my
So the
gosh.
eyebrows are special and big eyes
And big nose.
and big nose.
Oh, that's so cool. But why is there so many wind lions in Jinmen anyways?
Can you feel the wind?
Yes, it's very
Kinmen is
relaxing.
always windy. So they have a lot of wind lions because they believe this protects them from wind damage. And also, their location is very special because they put them according to feng shui.
Oh, that's cool. So there's a lot of different ones and they all look different?
There are actually 118 wind lions in Kinmen. Do you want to go and find them all?
All of them?
Yeah, let's go, 118!
Okay, we're hunting down our next wind lion. I think we're getting close.
We got it, it's over there,
Oh my
it's
God,
over
it's
there.
there. Let's
The
go
app
check.
is showing Dongsan Village.
Dongsan Village, let's check
We
it
got
out.
it.
Here
Ta-da!
it is! We made it!
This is one of the oldest wind lions in Kinmen. I've heard it's around 200 years old.
Oh my gosh, so it's the same age as you.
I wanted to say you! But you know what is the coolest thing about this wind lion here? That next to the wind lion, there is a traditional bakery in Kinmen.
Oh, I've heard about this
Really?
one. It's called紅龜粿, which is red turtle
Red
cake.
turtle cake.
Yes,
But I cannot eat cake because it's made of flour
No,
and
no,
I have
no.
allergies.
this is Jinmen's very famous dessert and there's no flour in it at all. It's made from peanuts, sweet potato, and rice flour, so even you can eat it.
I'm so happy. I feel like it's my birthday.
It is your 200th birthday.
No! Let's go and try some cake.
Go. Okay, we're here. We're gonna make our cake.
So here in the bakery, they are super friendly and we are not just going to eat, but they are going to teach us how to make this cake. Look at that. There are these cute wind lion molds.
I know, they're so perfect after we're chasing all the wind lions. And they have different sizes, a big one and a small one.
The big one is for me, the small
Yes.
one is for Tyler because
I'm so bad at it apparently.
he's not that cool.
And you make the dough from the peanuts and put it into the mold. Okay, so roll it into a ball.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
这样子慢慢开。哦，对对对对。哦，你好厉害嘞！
Ah, 我是匈牙利人。
对啊，
I'm
你很厉害，你
Hungarian.
很厉害嘞！就这样子慢慢转。
We can open a bakery together.
12 seconds later.
This is a little bit difficult.
And then turn it until it's
对对对。
full. Oh my gosh, this is hard.
OK。
可以吗?
Wow,
Yay, we're
we are-
finished.
Yes, and we are going to steam it.
Yes, and I mean, they're all beautiful, but maybe
Yeah, mine is
some-
the most beautiful. Let's go. Be careful.
Yay!
5 minutes later.
Ready! Our meat lions are ready. They smell so good and they look so good. Our babies! Last time we had pineapple babies, now we have wind lion babies.
Oh, and now let's eat our
Don't
baby.
cry, don't cry.
Well, we made too many. We cannot possibly raise this many children, so let's go eat
We
them.
have to eat them.
How to? It's really delicious.
There's a lot of peanuts, so good.
And the outside is very chewy. Inside is kind of crunchy and not too sweet.
Not too sweet. I was afraid it's very sweet. It's not too sweet. So good.
I never eat something like this in Taipei.
Never. It's so good. It's really good. I really like it. Do you have peanut allergy?
Yeah.
Do you know what else is famous in Kinmen?
高粱?
Yes, that's true. But there is something else. You can smell it in the air. It's pretty much like Hungary.
Shit.
Cows.
Oh, yeah, I definitely smell some kind of barnyard animal.
Can you hear it? Can you hear it also?
It sounds like Christina when she didn't drink her coffee.
And you know, today we are not going to eat them. We are going to feed them.
Let's go.
Is it how we are feeding them?
Yeah. Okay, now it's time to prepare Christina's dessert. So we have to cut down this grass to feed it to her and her family.
How do we do that?
Oh, like this. Grab and pull.
Really?
Yes. Careful your leg.
You're right. Okay. So we can feed the cows now.
We have to do the dance like this
Victory music. Victory music.
with the fender.
The babies are here. Do you want to feed the baby? Oh my god! They really want to
Hi,
eat
baby.
it.
Why are we singing this song?
Because there is a Chan came here to this place in Kinmen because this is the closest to Xiamen.
Wow, so she would sing to the people in mainland China saying, come back, come
Just
back.
like us.
But we're here to observe the beautiful scenery here at Masan Observation Post. So let's see what they have to offer and what kind of beautiful
So
scenes.
beautiful here.
Well, I'm going to go see it, whether you come with me or not. I don't
We are
care.
going, we are
Goodbye.
Are you shaking your butt?
Huh?
Are you shaking your butt?
Sexy lady, sexy lady, follow me.
Okay, so this is our trip finished after seeing all the way to the other side of the Taiwan Straits.
You can see China from
Yes.
here. It's amazing. And there are a lot of boats.
You can even see them building their new airport. It's really cool. You can
Yes.
really see like even the city line. It's so close. I never realized it's this close.
Really close to Kinmen. The Kinmen is so beautiful.
Yeah, that's really cool. Everything was so fun. I really liked the food, the army performance. Everything was so much fun. How about you?
I really love the red turtle cake. Although I came to Kinmen so many times, but this was the first time I tried that cake.
Yeah.
And it is so amazing that every time you can try something new in Kinmen, like the app we just used.
Yeah, the app, Finding the Shisas, you guys have to use it if you're planning to come to Kinmen.
Yes.
You can use it not only to find all the wind lions. I only found 3, so I have to come back and find more. And you can also find different tourist attractions, different sightseeing. You can find so much stuff on that app. So make sure you download the app and subscribe to 老外在干嘛.
I'm
See you-
Christina.
I'm Tyler. We'll see you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye. Are you ready?
Not
Ready
sure.
for boarding? Coffee, tea?
Or me.